my YouTube channel. I draw 8 balloons. It's very easy drawing for you. First of all, draw the circle. Draw the circles of another balloons. I like balloons so much. Do you like balloons? I also have a lot of balloons. I also like to play with balloons. Do you like to play with balloons? It's very easy to draw balloons. Do you draw the balloons? Wow, there are a lot of balloons. I also play with balloons in the school. Today I purchased 3 balloons from the shop. These 3 balloons are in different colors. I also flow the balloons in the sky. I enjoy it a lot. I purchased the balloons and then filled it with air. Sometime I filled this with gas. The balloons is ready. Let's draw the thread of balloons. There are 8 of balloons in the drawing. My drawing is almost ready. Don't forget to outline the balloons. Outline makes the balloons so beautiful. Doing the outline in a fast very way. Wow, that's awesome drawing. I coloring so much. So let's coloring with me. Red color is my favorite. So I use this in the balloon. Tell me what's your favorite color. You can use the colors of your own choice. Use the red color in the other balloon. Mix the red balloon too. Wow, red color looks so beautiful. Use the yellow color in the drawing. I also like yellow color. Do you like yellow color? I mixed the yellow balloons too. See, yellow color looks so beautiful. Yellow color is also used in mango. Use the green color in the drawing. Mix the green color of balloons too. Green color looks so beautiful. I like green balloons. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Now I use the pink color. Do you like pink color? I like this so much. Wow, that's awesome. All the balloons look very beautiful and awesome. Do you like my drawing? My drawing is ready. See, it looks so beautiful and awesome. I enjoy a lot. Do you enjoy?